100 English questions and answers for daily life. Hello, this is your calm space to listen, repeat, shadow and speak English at a slow, natural pace. Today, we'll practice 100 simple questions and answers you can use every day. Each part has a topic from real life: your morning, your family, your food, your hobbies, and more. Listen carefully, shadow my voice, and then try to answer on your own. Let's begin. Daily life and routines. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7.
What do you do first in the morning?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I always eat at home.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat toast, eggs, and sometimes fruit.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus every morning.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I read my messages before I leave.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 o'clock.
Do you have lunch at home or outside?
I usually eat my lunch at home.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30.
Do you sleep well?
Most nights, yes. I sleep pretty well.
Great job. These sentences describe a normal day. Now, let's move to another part of life: family and friends.
Part 2. Family and friends. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. I live with my parents.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one brother. He's older than me.
How often do you see your friends?
Almost every weekend.
Where do you usually meet them?
We like to meet in a cafe or park.
Do you talk to your family every day?
Yes, we always talk at dinner.
What do you and your friends do together?
We watch films or go for walks.
Do your parents work?
Yes, they both work full-time.
Do you help your family at home?
Yes, I clean and cook sometimes.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them twice a month.
Is your family big or small?
It's small, but we are very close.
Great. Let's continue.
Work or study? Where do you work or study?
I work in an office in the city centre.
What time do you start work?
At 9 in the morning.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's interesting and not too stressful.
How do you get to work?
I take the train every day.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes, yes. 2 days a week.
What do you usually do at work?
I write emails, make calls, and go to meetings.
Who do you work with?
I work with 5 other people.
Do you study English after work?
Yes, I study a little every evening.
Do you like your colleagues?
Yes, they're friendly and helpful.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 o'clock.
Great. Let's continue when you're ready.
Food and eating out. What's your favourite food?
I love pasta and fresh vegetables.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can. I like cooking simple meals.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I often eat soup or salad.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
Do you like eating out?
Yes, I enjoy going to small cafes.
How often do you go to restaurants?
Maybe once or twice a month.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink both, but I prefer tea.
Do you like sweet food?
Yes, I love chocolate and cakes.
Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes, I try to eat healthy snacks.
Do you cook for your family?
Yes, sometimes at weekends.
Great. Let's move on when you're ready.
Home and free time. Where do you live?
I live in a small flat near the park.
Is it big or small?
It's small, but very cosy.
Do you like your home?
Yes, it's quiet and comfortable.
What do you do in your free time?
I read, listen to music, and sometimes cook.
Do you watch TV every day?
Not every day, maybe a few times a week.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, especially stories in English.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What do you do at weekends?
I meet friends or go for walks.
Do you keep your home clean?
I try to clean a little every day.
What's your favourite place at home?
My balcony. I like sitting there in the evenings.
You've just practiced 100 real questions and answers for everyday life. That's amazing progress. You can listen again and shadow both voices. First my questions, then Ben's answers. And later, try to speak both roles yourself. Remember, short daily practice brings big results. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day makes a difference.
Thank you for spending this calm moment with us. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and make English a part of your everyday life.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben.
See you next time.